Right, we've got our sparkle flashing, but it's called a sparkle. So what we need to do is we're going to make it sparkle. So we are going to make it flash quicker. So we can think about how we can do that. And what we need to do is we need to change that weight between the lights coming on and off. So if I reduce from being 1 second, and then let's change that to maybe that's half a second. So let's just remove the other colours for a moment just to make it easy to see. So if I turn it on for half a second and then turn it off for half a second and then run this program, and we can see now that the sparkle is flashing faster. And faster still, well, then we can reduce that time even more. So we can reduce the amount of time on and the wait time off and run that. So now we can see at 0.2 of a second, 0.2 of a second, it's flashing a lot quicker. So if we then just replicate that on our other colours, okay, and then play that program, you can see it's flashing now a lot faster. Now, something else that you might want to do, because for some of the children the light's flashing on and off, the sparkles can be quite bright, so you might want to just reduce the brightness of the colours, and especially the children are getting headaches. Or the alternative is to use a diffuser, is to put a bit of tissue paper over the top of the sparkles just so that the lights are not so bright. But within the software, if you click on the sparkles folder, then what we can do is we can change the brightness of each sparkle. So this is changing the red, green, blue values of each one, and the maximum number in each value is 255. So to be red, then that is 255 red, 0 green and 0 blue. Now if you click on the red there, you'll see that the pure red there, and you can see the RGB values on the side here. So if we go to a blue, and then if you go to something like a purple mix, which is a bit of, you'll see a red value and a blue value in there. So if we're saying that pure red is, brightest red is 255, if I want it to be half as bright, then I can just make that number a roughly half again. And if I want it to be even duller, then again I can reduce it even more. So what I could do is I could just swap those values in there, and in the same way I could do that for the green and the blue now. So if I just press run now, you'll see when it gets to the red, then the red's a lot duller than the other two colours. So the children, if they wanted to, they can change the values and the brightness of each sparkle flash.